If you're experiencing an eSIM no service or no service issue on a physical SIM card after the iOS 18 update, the problem could be related to network settings, software bugs, or carrier issue. This video is a simple guide to fix this issue. The very first step you need to do is simply open the control center from the top and toggle on your airplane mode for at least 20 seconds and then again toggle back it off. Once you do that, check for your eSIM service if it has been solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, then the very next step you need to follow is simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, there you will see General, tap on it. Now scroll down to the last and tap on Shutdown. Now shut down your device for at least 20 seconds and then restart it again. After doing this, go back to the General home page. There you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Once you go to the Transfer and Reset iPhone, there you will see option of Reset Network Settings. Simply tap on it and enter your passcode and reset all of your network settings. After doing it, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.